Here I'm open, I'm away from her. Here I'm closed and I'm to her. One is the facing, you just stay. So one is the facing of my chest closing, and then the other is my head completing the shape, the encompassing of the distance between us. And so as I dance, I'm aware in my chest and in my face of the shape between us, of the negative space and of her. And then as I shift around, I stay to that.
That's really interesting, the idea of
And so this is
space.
thick. So when we talk about how space gives meaning, there is one sense you can say space gives meaning over here,
Hi.
over here, over here,
Hi.
different spaces. But you can also say there's this space which is giving meaning to what we do. And that as this space changes, it's a rich and textured experience. And actually that was a terrible angle, so let's do that again. So as this space changes here, then that's a rich and textured thing. And then, what's more is you can take this and you can map it onto the way you, for example, take a sidestep. So you can say that if we're this intimately aware of this distance between us, or if we're so aware of this space between us as it changes its shape and bubbles and boils, we can also be aware of the way in our feet things happen.
Which we didn't get in that camera, by the way.
Uh-huh.
It's something like when I teach classical dancing, I teach that the fact that the air is heavy. And it's got, when we move through air, we need to feel the weight of the air as we go. And that's kind of what he's talking about with giving value to the space between us as well.
So if you see me carve a shape, you have this sense of the shape having its own existence.
I like that.